Hi friends, this is Priyanka Singh. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Food Travel. Can you guys imagine what I'm going to make today? What I'm doing here with these cookies. If you're guessing it's a sweet dish, you are absolutely right, because today I'm going to make dessert, and which is really very easy but the yummiest one. Yes, I'm going to make a cheesecake in a glass. Isn't it looking interesting? Yes, it is interesting. Let's see how to do this. I'm using this graham crackers to make a base, and it is no bake cake. You can also use any cookie for the base, whichever you like, but don't make it like a powder. I crushed the cookies. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of melted unsalt butter. Mix it well. See, it's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a glass. Yes, as I told you, it's a cheesecake in a glass. Here are the glasses. Now what I'm going to do is take a glass, put it like this. We have to make a good base, so I'm pressing like this. We have to make a layers of this. See, like this, which looks amazing. You can imagine this layers will come. You can also do in any of the bowl or even disposals, whatever you like, even in the cake molds, as we do normally. See, my glasses are ready, and now I'm going to put this in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I will prepare the cheese. I'm taking this cheese cream. This is around ½ cup, and this is very easily available in all the supermarkets. Whisk it. Now I am adding whipped cream, around 1 cup. You can see this creamy texture here. Whisk till you get the creamy texture. Here I am adding sugar, 1/4 cup. Whisk it. And now I'm not using vanilla essence here. Instead of vanilla essence, I am adding vanilla sugar. If you want, you can also use vanilla essence, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Wow, this is very common flavor but favorite of all. And a dash of lemon zest. Whisk it. Again, back to glasses. We have to pour in this. Set it well. See how beautiful it is looking. If you want, you can eat it like this, but here I'm going to top it with cherry sauce. You can also use fresh fruits, any seasonal fruits. Do the topping with that and grab it. Wow. If you don't have any patience like me, you can eat it like this also, but I will recommend to freeze it for at least 30 minutes and then have it. Our shots are ready. Cheesecakes are ready in a glass. See, it's beautiful, isn't it? And here it is. Enjoy with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, please share, like and comment. And also press subscribe button below if you have not subscribed yet. Also press bell icon so that you can get notifications. Thank you.